What's up, guys? It's Nick here.
And Laiyah here.
And today we starting a new series called Flavors of Fiction, where this is going to be about snacks inspired by stories. Today's story is going to be The Big Bed. This is a book that we've read and we fairly enjoyed.
Yeah, I like this book.
So we made a snack that revolves around the big bed. I'm going to show you the process that we did with making this snack. I can't show everything because it was a bit messy, but I put too much time in it, so I had to see it through. If you look down, you can really see the beds that we created. You can tell which bed is Laiyah's because it don't look like it's made up.
Ha ha ha, I forgot to laugh.
Yeah, here we go. All right, let's get serious. All right, here's the ingredients that I use. All right, we got some graham crackers, some Hershey's, some marshmallow puff, marshmallows for the pillows, and some Oreo cookies that we're going to use for the bottom of the base of the bed. We also have some icing to help it look like glue. First, you're going to get the marshmallow puff, and then you're going to throw it in the microwave and stir it up. Put a little bit of food coloring in it just to get the same color as the bed, and you will see it looking like that. All right, next we're going to take the graham crackers out, put them out on the parchment paper, and then put some chocolate on top of those. The graham cracker is going to be the base of the bed, so to speak, I guess you could say. The chocolate would be what I guess you would call a pillow top. I actually ended up using some icing to make sure that the chocolate stayed to the graham cracker and didn't slide off before I ended up pouring the marshmallow with the food coloring in on top of that. I'm not going to show all that part because I was doing all this off the top of my head, so it was quite a mess. It was borderline that those videos like, everybody's so creative. But anyway, here we are. Getting everything set up. You see those little hands helping out. She's so amazing. I love you, guy. Anyway, we got it up here for the base. Then we ended up pouring the marshmallows on there. We threw 2 marshmallows at the top to make it look like pillows, and Laiyah threw some sprinkles on top of hers, and there we are. Voila. We enjoyed the book and we enjoyed the snack. I thought it was quite delicious. The one thing I would suggest is to make sure you put this in the refrigerator to let it chill, or else it's going to be messy. But other than that, thought it was delicious. We enjoyed it. We enjoyed the book. Peace.
Peace.